Hello and welcome back to Tutoring with Gavin. In this series of videos, I'll be showing you how to get great grades in your exam using quality quotes or speeches from the novella A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. I'll show you how to reveal vital information about character, themes, imagery and literary devices that will help you get a grade 9 in the GCSE Literature exam. This video will be looking at the first time Ebenezer Scrooge shows some emotion in Stave 2 when the ghost of Christmas past is providing him with some painful childhood memories. I've chosen this because it shows the beginning of his change and is an important part of his character arc. The first signs of change in Scrooge are when he is back at his old school, with 1,000 odours floating in the air, each one connected with 1,000 thoughts and hopes and joys and cares long forgotten. Dickens places him here in order to find within Scrooge that little boy that had an innocence and optimism that seems to fade in some people when they grow up. The ghost comments that Scrooge's lip is trembling, and what is that upon your cheek? Dickens is showing the reader that despite the greed and intolerance for the poor, Scrooge is capable of emotion and is able to change back into the kind of person he was before greed took hold of him. Some critics question the speed of his change, but perhaps the ghost has picked the perfect moment to relive, as it captured his loneliness and sense of abandonment by his father, something Dickens experienced himself at the age of 12. Dickens seems to be suggesting that this moment could have thrust Scrooge towards a path of mistrust of family, which is so important, especially at Christmas. Dickens uses a list of questions for the narrator to dangle in front of the reader. Why was he rejoiced beyond all bounds to see them? Why did his cold eye glisten and his heart leap up as they went past? Why was he filled with gladness when he heard them give each other Merry Christmas? What was Merry Christmas to Scrooge? It is revealed that he had strong memories of being abandoned at Christmas, the one time that everyone else was gathering in family or friendship groups. Dickens gives us a short and simple response, and he sobbed. This emotional memory is completed by the appearance of his sister, Little Fan, who had a large heart, arriving to take him home to his family. This is quickly followed by the ghost's declaration that she had died leaving a child. This seems to hit Scrooge hard, the realization that he had betrayed the person he loved most by being unkind to her child, his nephew. This moment in Scrooge's character arc is important because it makes his complete change of personality at the end more believable for the reader. Stave 2 is full of mixed emotions, but in this section of the story, Dickens cleverly combines two of the most important themes in the story: family and the tradition of Christmas. Well, I hope this has helped. If you would like more quality quotes analysis, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Also visit my Facebook page for more free resources on this and other aspects of the GCSE language and literature exam. Until next time.